Hey everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey, welcome here. Today's video, as you can see, is an unboxing. And I got a ThredUP Fun Box. Yeah, it is from Sewanee, Georgia. So, nice big box. Let's just cut it open and see what kind of fun we are about to check out. Okay. It's been a long time since I've gotten one. Yeah, a really long time. In fact, they are $32 now. It says Fun Box, 10 items, Rescue Box. It's funny, it doesn't tell you the tax or the shipping cost. So I'm guessing $32 plus maybe $10 extra for the shipping and the tax. So we have some air pillows, which I always reuse. We have the iconic paper, polka dotted paper, and that is just placed on top. More pillows, and here's first looks. Oh my, a lot of pink. So let's see, I got this box in October, so I guess yeah, it's cold weather season items. So all right, let me take each item out and go over each piece. Be right back. First item are tights. They're brown. They're by Hue. They're a size 3. They retail for 3 pairs for $22. Size 3. So that means 5'2" to 6 feet tall, 165 pounds to 200 pounds. That's a size 3. Espresso, which is a nice deep chocolate. And one pair goes for $13.50. So this is a new pair of tights. Next up, wow, these are brand new with tag. They're UGG brown colored wired. They got earplugs, wired earmuffs. So they're compatible with a lot of different audio devices, such as your smartphone, your MP3 player, inline mic. Well, that is very cool. Has a MSRP of $75. There's the wire. Here are the earmuffs. Wow, they're suede with this faux fur. There's the UGG tag. Really nice, brand new UGG wired earmuffs. So far, so good. I'm having fun. It's not a ThredUP Fun Box if you don't get socks. And these are a really nice pair of women's socks from The Gap. And they retail for $6.50. And they fit shoe sizes 4 to 10. It's like a black and gray, I think. I think that's black. Yeah. We have an eye mask in this dusty, oh my goodness, this is so soft. It's like a dusty rose faux fur eye mask, one size. It has this satiny inside with this stretch elastic band. It's from Target, one size, one piece, $4. So we have this. I guess this would work on the plane or on a train or in bed. Next up are, these are fingerless gloves. Really pretty pink color. You're a Whole Lot of Lovely by Lisa Angel. This is also new. And glove warmers, Dollhouse. The price is rubbed out, but these are sweet. A good stocking stuffer. Fingerless hand warmers. Next up is a super soft two-piece set by Crown and Ivy, size 1X. It's really so soft. Is this new with tag? Yeah, they are. Buff pink retails for $62. It came from Belk.com. It looks like a pajama top. It's a pullover with the little zipper on the top that has this collar. In this nice plaid. And the second piece is actually also, yeah, they're both 1X. It's a two-piece set. And this is actually shorts. Okay. So we have this set by Crown and Ivy, size 1X. Oh, it's so soft. This, is there a price on this? Let's see. It may have been removed. I don't know. Let's check this one. Oh, $62. Okay, so we have this. It's so soft. I can't help it. It's really super soft. There you go. Next up, I found this. This is 100% cotton. I guess it's a scarf. Really pretty print. It has fringes. There is a tag. This is by Fry. Made in India, 100% cotton. One size, $128? Well, this would be a really nice gift. I can give you the measurements. I can measure it and put it on the screen. Brand new. Here's the back side of it. So it's one-sided. But I don't know. I guess you could wear it either way. I believe it's a scarf. So we have this. Amazing. Can't believe how much it costs. Where's that tag again? Here it goes. This by Fry. And then these are the last items in the box. This is in, okay, a keychain, I guess. I think it's a keychain. It's a seed bead ring. I guess you can wear this as a bracelet and put your keys on this end, because this part opens up to put your keys on. Okay, so we have that. This here is a Vera Bradley Lighten Up lanyard. Lighten Up lanyard. MSRP $12. It looks to be like a navy, white and black. And I guess that's the hoop where you can slip whatever you put on a lanyard on there. So this is also new. I'll put this back in the little baggie. And then the last item looks like a bracelet. I believe so. It says Scout. Giving back. Stone of Plentitude. It is said that wearing gemstone adornments taps the wearer into the energies from deep within our planet. It's a semi-precious gemstone memorized on this convertible wonder. So you can wear this as a wrap bracelet or as a necklace. And it's from Scout. Curated wears, giving back 10%. The price has been blacked out. So bracelet becomes necklace and ta-da! So these look like, well, it did say they are some type of gemstone. But they're pretty. They're like a gray and pale pink and white. Oh, there you go. Then Dendritic Ocean Agate. That's cool that they actually tell you what the stone is. So we have this. So that's the fun box. So let's count. We have these three. So let me put this back in the bag. So that's 3. We have that big 2-piece set. So I'm going to count that as 1 item. So that would be 4. 4. The eye mask, 5. The socks, 6. The earmuffs, 7. The fry scarf, which is 8. The gloves, which is 9. And the tights, which makes it 10. So I think I got everything. Yeah, I believe so. So that's 10 items. I am very pleased considering the amount that I paid. These are really fun. The fry is a big surprise. Stockings are always good. These are great little stocking stuffers. And this, I guess. So tell me what you think. Did you think this was fun? Let me know. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'm glad I got to get a fun box. Like I said, I don't normally check the site too much, but when I do and I am able to nab some things, I will buy a few. In fact, I believe I'm expecting some DIY jewelry boxes soon. So yeah, look out for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had some fun with the ThredUP Fun Box. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Anything you are interested in purchasing, email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com. The instructions are in the beginning of the video. You know what? I'm not even going to put that intro in the beginning this time. I'm going to put it at the end. Instructions are at the end of this video. And what else? Shipping for these items will be according to your location and weight. So whatever USPS charges is what I will charge you. Any questions? Email me and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Be a subscriber. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Ring the bell. choose all notifications. That way you'll be alerted when I post new content. And thanks, everybody. I appreciate you all so much. Also, be aware, the Postal Service, this is the holiday season now. It does take a little bit more time, I think, for packages to arrive. So please be patient. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye now.